Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to solve a 3x3x2 cuboid puzzle. If it looks a little weird compared to a normal 3x3 cube to you, don't worry. It's actually easier than it looks. I'll walk you through everything step by step. Let's jump right in. So first, what is a 3x3x2 puzzle? Well, it's a cuboid puzzle, which just means it's shaped like a box instead of a perfect cube. For this cuboid puzzle, it has 3 pieces across, 3 pieces across the other way, but only 2 layers tall. It is considered a beginner-friendly puzzle. Therefore, it's generally easy to solve. Now, we will be working with some basic notations. U prime, D prime. For the R, L, F or B notations, we are only going to do R2, L2, F2 or B2. Because when you try to do a single move for any one of them, the rotation can't be completed due to the cube's shape. However, for simplicity, we'll just call it R, L, F and B in this tutorial. Alright, ready to solve this puzzle? First step, we are making a white cross on the bottom. This step is pretty intuitive. Just find the 4 white edge pieces and put them in their correct location. If you are unsure of the arrangement of their colors, you can check a regular 3x3 cube. For a regular cube, red is on the right of blue, green is opposite blue. Once you line up a white edge correctly, rotate it down. Do that for all 4 white edges and that's it. The white cross is done. Now we're going to solve the white corners. Find a white corner on the top layer. Look at the other 2 colors on that corner. For example, this one has red and blue. It goes between the red and blue faces. Once you move it to the correct spot, hold the spot at the bottom right and do this algorithm. R, U, R, U prime, R. That inserts it into place. Repeat that for the rest of the white corners. Here's a quick tip. If a white corner is in the bottom layer but in the wrong position, just do the same algorithm once. It will pop back up to the top so you can redo it properly. When you are done, the whole bottom layer should be complete. If you did everything right so far, the yellow face should already be solved. Now we just need to position the top corners correctly. First, check if you have a pair of headlights on the puzzle cube. If you see one pair, hold the headlights on the left side and do this algorithm. R, U, R, U prime, R. F, U prime, F, U, F. With that, all our top corners are fixed. Next, if you have a case where you don't see any headlights, just hold the cube anyhow you want and do the same algorithm once. you should get a pair of headlights. Then put them on the left and do it again. After that, your top corners should all be in the right spots. Last step, we just need to fix the top edges. There are 3 possible cases. For case 1, the opposite edges need to be swapped. For my cube, I need to move the blue edge here and the green edge to the opposite side. I will hold them vertically and do this algorithm. R, U2, R, U2, R, U2. With that, the blue and green edges are fixed and the cube is solved. For case 2, the adjacent edges need to be swapped. For my cube, I need to swap the green edge with the red edge here. Hold one facing you and the other on the right, like so. Then do this algorithm. R, U, R, U, R, U2, R, U2, R, U, R, U prime, R. After that, the cube is solved. The third case is a combination of both the opposite and swap cases, where you could have 3 or all of the edges wrong, like my cube here. In such a situation, you will do once or twice the opposite swaps first, then lastly followed by the adjacent swap. After that, your cube will be solved. Here's how it goes. First, we will swap the green and the red edges. R, U2, R, U2, R, U2. Then, the blue and the orange edges. R, U2, R, U2, R, U2. Now finally, the adjacent orange and green edges. R, U, R, U, R, U2, R, U2, R, U, R, U prime, R. And that's it. That's how you solve the 3x3x2 cuboid puzzle. It might look strange at first, but once you break it down, it's actually pretty straightforward. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more puzzle tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.